Good afternoon everyone, it's me Jasmine Kanamagar from class 9 section 8. Today I am going to explain about the life cycle of mushroom. As given in the figure, first of all we have to know about the structure of mushroom. Mushrooms are mainly divided into two parts. The outer part is called fruiting body and the underground part is called mycelium. Myceliums absorb water and organic food materials. The fruiting body helps is a reproductive part of the mushroom. The underlying structure is called pinus and the rudimentary structure is called the stalk. And under the pilus, the soft part is called gills. Gills are mainly divided into three main parts: ileum, subileum, trama. Trama is the innerest part, and subileum is the middle and thin layer. Ileum is the outermost and most important part of the gills. Ileum is also divided into two types of cell. Basidium is a reproductive cell and paraphysis is a non-reproductive cell. The basidium is also divided into two cells, haploid and diploid. And inside the basidiums, there are two haploid nucleus, one from phlogiston and one from minus strands. The two haploid nucleus fuse to form single diploid nucleus. The diploid nucleus undergoes meiosis division. At the first meiotic division, the haploid nucleus multiples into two. In the first meiotic division, the diploid nucleus multiples into two haploid nucleus. And in the second meiotic division, two haploid nucleus multiply into four haploid nucleus. At the tip of the basidium, four finger-like structure called stigmata are formed. One haploid nucleus migrates into each stigmata, where it develops into basidiospores. Among four basidiospores detach from the stigmata and are released into air. Under favorable condition, each basidiospore germinates into primary mycelium. When two primary mycelium of opposite strands fuse together, they form into secondary myceliums, which has two nuclei. And the secondary myceliums, under the favorable condition and under favorable temperature and humidity, the secondary mycelium develops into volva, and the baby mushroom is burst out from the volva, and the baby mushroom develops into mature mushroom. The cycles repeats when basidiospores are released and germinates into favorable condition. Thank you.